Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to set up a recurring investment on Acorns. If you don't have an Acorns account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get $5 after making your first investment. However, if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Login. Now, log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several options in the middle part of the screen. Click on the option that says Invest for your future. On this page, you will see an option for recurring investment. Click on Recurring Investment. Now, enter the desired amount, frequency, and date settings you would wish to invest. After entering, click on Save. Now a pop-up message will appear saying that your recurring investment was successfully set up. That's how you set up a recurring investment on Acorns. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.